Welcome to the next tutorial on current electricity. Here I will be discussing the question number 9. Now look at figure 3. Let me pull out figure 3. Yes. Okay. If the lamps are both the same, that means both the lamps have equal resistance. Look at this diagram. Here I have two parallel connections and each parallel line is having one lamp each and two ammeters. And when they say that both the lamps are same, that means resistance of both the lamps are exactly same. Okay, resistance of both the lamps are exactly same. So when the current will be divided between two parallel lines, okay, then how much current will flow to each path? Okay, main current is 0.5 ampere, which will be splitted into two parts. Okay, so how much current will flow to each path, and that amount of current will be shown in all these ammeters. That's all it is. So we have to find out how much current will be flowing to each of these paths, each of these parallel paths. Okay. Now since resistance in both lamps which are in parallel connection is same, that if both the resistances are same, then equal amount of current will flow through both of them. Now main current flow is 0.5 ampere. Now this 0.5 ampere will be divided into these two paths, and both these paths will carry exactly same current. So each lamp will have 0.5 upon 2 because it will be splitted into two paths. That means each path will have 0.25 ampere current. So all these ammeters, that is A through A2, A3, A4 and A5, will show a reading of 0.25 ampere.